Hello and welcome to 90 Seconds Direct Cloud. Today we will talk about Azure traffic costs. Haki, could you please explain to us what kind of traffic will be charged by Microsoft?
Yes, of course. It's so-called the Ingress traffic. This is all the traffic customers are downloading from the cloud. The Ingress traffic, on the other hand, is always free of charge. It's important to mention that the Ingress traffic via an ExpressRoute is up to 70% cheaper than via the public internet.
And are there also some kind of flat rates available?
Yes, if you use an ExpressRoute, you can book flat rates to make the costs a little bit more predictable.
And how about regions? Are there any differences between regions?
Yes, this depends. If both regions are part of the same geopolitical region, for example, Amsterdam and Frankfurt are both in a part of the geopolitical region Europe, then you don't have to expect additional costs. But between different geopolitical regions, in example Asia and Europe, between Frankfurt and Singapore, the cost increases based on a pricing table you can find on the Microsoft Azure homepage.
Thank you, and see you next time at 90 Seconds Direct Cloud.